After having discussed some or any, today we will have discussed the use of much and many. Much means a large quantity of. It is used with uncountables like much sorrow, much ink, much milk, much water, much gold. Uncountable nouns we use much. Many means a large number of. It is used with the plurals of countables, only with the plural forms of the countable nouns. Many years, many books, many people, many dishes, many holidays. We cannot say many year or many book. We have to keep the plural form of the nouns to use many with the countable nouns. So here I have the exercise which I'll send you a pic later, where you have to fill the blanks with much or many. The next we have to discuss the uses of little and few. Little is used with uncountables, whereas few is used with countables. Little hope, little help, little water, few books, few friends, few countries. Now let us learn the difference between the uses of little, a little and the little, and few, a few and the few. Both the things are same, only the difference is that the little, a little and the little are used with uncountables, whereas few, a few and the few is used with countables. Little means almost none. Little is almost a negative adjective. A little is at least some. At least some. And the little is the whole, though very little. Whatever is left, whatever is with us, will be mentioned with the little. I have little money, I cannot buy chocolates for you. Means I have almost no money, for that I cannot buy any chocolates for you. I have a little money, I can afford to buy a coffee with it. At least I have that much money that I can afford to buy a coffee. Only that much money I have, that a little money I have. I bought a coffee with the little money I had. Whatever money I had with me, I bought a coffee with it. So now I have no more money. So that is the use of the little. After buying that coffee, I have no more money. So this is the little. Similarly, we have the uses of few, a few and the few. Few is not many, in fact actually almost none. A few is at least some. And the few is all of them, though very few. Few boys attended the taekwondo coaching class today. Few boys means almost no boys attended the class. A few boys attended the coaching class yesterday as it was a holiday in school. A few boys means a little number. The few boys who attended the taekwondo class practiced the kicks and punches sincerely. Means whatever number of the boys was, but those who attended the class practiced nicely and sincerely. So here you have the next exercise where you have to fill the blanks with little, a little, the little, few, a few or the few. I'll send you a pic later. Now here comes the turn to discuss the uses of elder, eldest, older, and oldest, which I told you that we'll discuss later. Elder and eldest are used with close family relations like sons, daughters, brothers, sisters, so on. Family relations, we use elder or eldest. Rahul is elder of the two brothers. Reena is the eldest among all his sisters, all the sister. Her eldest sister lives in a hostel. So for the family relations, we use elder or eldest. And now let us see the use of older and oldest. Older and oldest denote age. They can be used with both persons and things. And also it can be used for people other than the family relatives. Like Varun is older than Arun. Mr. Madanlal is the oldest person in our colony. This is the oldest pair of shoes I have. So for the family members, we have to use elder and eldest, and other than that, for showing, denoting the age, we have to use older or oldest. Now let us discuss the uses of later, letter, latest, and last. Later and latest denote time, whereas latter and last denote positions. We shall be going to the hills in the later part of June, denoting time, later part of June. What is the latest news? Denoting time. Anand and Topalov entered the finals. The latter won the match. This letter here showing the position. Latter won the match means Topalov won the match. Because between Anand and Topalov, later is the Topalov. Next sentence. He prefers to sit on the last bench, showing the position. Last is showing the position of the bench, not the time. He prefers to sit on the last bench. Hope you got the uses of all these four words. Now let us move to the next one. Nearest and next. Nearest denotes distance, whereas next denotes position. Who lives nearest to the school? Her house is next to mine. Nearest is showing the distance, whereas next is showing the position. Now we have comparatives ending in or. OR. Comparatives, words ending in OR. Words ending in OR. Like senior, junior, inferior, and superior are adjectives ending in OR. These adjectives are followed by to and not by then. While using these comparative adjectives, we need to use to after them instead of than. Generally, we use than to show the comparison in the comparative degrees. But with these words ending with OR, we are supposed to use to in place of than. She is senior to me by 4 years. My pen is superior to yours.